Cooper Enterprises is a contract manufacturer of wood and laminated products. As jobs progress through our facility, most begin at our two CNC panel saws, which are auto rear load and can cut up to a 5-inch book height. With our offload systems, we're able to maintain continuous cutting. Our 8 state-of-the-art CNC routers and machining centers have dual tables with multiple heads. This enables us to expand our capacity by running multiple parts at the same time, which results in lower costs and higher volume. Our workhorse machines are the two 4-headed units with 8-position tool changers. The goal is to set up a minimum of 4 parts on each table to maximize output and minimize labor. While one table is running, the other is being unloaded and reloaded. Our newest CNC router has dual 7-foot by 10-foot tables with 4 independent routing heads, each with Z-axis and 12-position tool changers. This machine is capable of running 2 different programs at the same time. The Vantech nest-based routing system can auto-feed up to 5-foot by 12-foot material, nest route the parts, and push the parts off onto a conveyor, all without operator intervention. We have 2 straight-line edge banders with auto-return systems, helping to reduce our labor cost and increase efficiency. This machine can apply edge banding to contour shapes, as well as trim the edging flush in one operation. We also have T-molding capabilities.